Apollo. Yes, you're a good
Oh,
boy.
there he is.
I'm getting a back massage with your tail.
Yeah.
You're getting a back massage. That's so nice. Gosh, you're such a good boy. You're wild. You're wild. I don't want it. You get it. I don't want it. You get it. He like wants me to play.
He wants you to get it. Oh, there it goes.
Come here.
Yeah. There he is. So good. He's so trainable, though.
He's so trainable. He just needs someone committed.
Exactly.
Yeah, that's very good boy.
He loves
Are we
toys.
sitting on my lap?
Oh.
Well, that's nice.
Yeah, so proud of himself. You guys are a cute couple.
Thank you. Oh. This is Apollo, and he's a little pepperoni. Very high energy. Could use some manners, clearly. Super sweet and playful, though. Yeah. I think it's at 7 or 8 months. Probably get a little bit bigger. He definitely needs somebody who's going to be committed to his training for the long run because he hasn't even hit teenager yet, and he's a wild guy, but very sweet. Yeah, you're very sweet. Yeah. Really pretty too.
His ears are great.
Yeah, he's got a very cute, expressive face. Can't see it right now because he's playing.